So on this project specifically, the fascia board on this house is cantered. So it's angled back. So the roof comes down and the fascia board angles back. It's a custom luxury look. Well, in that case, if we were to install the gutters on a cantered fascia board, the gutters would sit like that, the roof slopes this way, no water would drain into the gutter, just overshoot the gutter. So we need to find a way to get the gutters to sit 90 with the top of the drip edge on the roof so that the angle of the roof, the water's rushing down into the gutter. With the cantered fascia, there's no way to fasten right here because this is where you fasten. This is the back side of the gutter, this is the front of the gutter. You put the half round gutter in here and then you bend this over the gutter there. You bend this over the front of the gutter here, like that. And now your gutter sits in here, is locked in. Well, these two holes right there are for the fasteners to go in the fascia board. If the fascia board is flush and it's a 90, then it can easily sit. When the fascia board's angled, how can you get screws from here into the fascia? You can't. To bend this steel, this is thick steel, this can't just bend. So the tool bends this steel about 3 inches at the back side of this hanger, and it bends the hanger back so that this hanger will sit more flush with the cantered fascia board. So if it goes like that, it won't work. If we angle it and put an angle on it and take this angle right here and bend it back here, that'll match the cantered fascia board and make the gutter sit how we need it to sit. And we'll show you guys what that looks like.